Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make magic flashcards. This is how it works. It's a lot of fun and there are endless ways of using this in your lesson. For example, I made one on feelings and another one using words to create sentences. So let's get started. You need glue, scissors, colored pencils, and paper. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it like this. And fold it one more time like this. Turn the sheet around and repeat the same process. Take your scissors and cut out the 4 squares in the middle. So now there's a little window inside your square. Take your glue and use it to glue the opposite sides. And let's do the same here as well. Voila! Look how you can open and flip over the flaps. Now I'm going to draw a smiley face here. I'm drawing 2 eyes and a nice big smiling mouth and some curly hair and a nice necklace. Ta-da! So this is my magic card showing different feelings. Let's open it up. This is a card for students to create sentences using nouns, verbs, and adjectives. They can create sentences by choosing one word from each spread. And here's one using the letters of the alphabet. Apple, ball, cat, and duck. Do you see how you can adapt this to any type of lesson or topic that you're teaching in class? The kids have so much fun, and I hope you do too. If you liked this video, press like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye-bye.